Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the SSD type and picking the correct adapter. SATA versus NVMe matters because pinout and enclosure requirements differ. Once done, pick a USB 3, 1 or 3, 2 adapter to avoid a bottleneck. Lower speed adapters will slow transfers. Make sure you back up any important data and ground yourself to avoid ESD. Then open the enclosure, mount the SSD firmly, and fasten screws. You are now ready to connect the assembly to your computer. Once connected, Windows or Mac OS will usually detect the drive. If not, open Disk Management or Disk Utility to initialize it. Choose GPT for modern UEFI systems or MBR only when you need legacy boot compatibility. Create one or more partitions and select a file system, NTFS for Windows only, XFAT for cross-platform file sharing, or ext4 for Linux. Make sure to assign a drive letter or mount point. Once formatted, the SSD is ready for file transfer. You can now copy files or use cloning tools to migrate an OS. Test transfer speeds to verify performance and confirm thermal behavior during heavy use. When finished, always safely eject the drive to prevent corruption. If the SSD is not recognized, first try a different USB port or cable, test the drive in another enclosure, and check for firmware or driver updates. These steps fix most compatibility problems. If errors persist, run disk diagnostics to rule out hardware failure.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.